It's Brett Muller here. We got a nice bonfire going. It's like a fire pit with a chimney on it. Look at the flames shooting out of it. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Right, guys?
Yep.
That's Ma'am. That's Gerald. That's Alex.
I'm his sister. Subscribe to Megan Muller YouTube.
We got some music going. Oh, it's beautiful. Such a beautiful night out tonight. Isn't it?
Yes, it is. And tomorrow, yesterday I started my very own YouTube Minecraft. It is my very first video. So make sure tomorrow it will be out for sure. So like and subscribe, please.
What's your channel?
I know we will.
Don't have one yet, but I'll get one tomorrow.
All right.
Definitely.
I'll put it in the comments.
All right. Subscribe to Gerald, then me.
And if I get my tablet back, Gerald will let me. I know how to get it because I was watching Gerald. So.
Yeah, I got a nice fire going here in Hillsboro, Wisconsin. Oh yeah, Bucky State. Alright, see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like and smash that subscribe button. Right, guys?
Yep. And make sure to ring that bell. Ding, 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 ding.
So you get my notifications when I upload some more. See you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.